that was not. That's a power flash. Oh, yeah, that's power.
I got a joke for y'all. Did you know that trees poop? Where do you think number 2 pencils come from?
You didn't do it?
National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 18, effective until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Mosque, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for leaders' statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to the radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
It's about 4 a.m. on March 4th, 2025. The SPC had issued an enhanced risk highlighting a 10% chance for tornadoes as well as a 30% chance for damaging wind within 25 miles of any given point. The reason was a QLCS that was going to be moving through North Texas and central Oklahoma in the early morning hours. We left out of South Fort Worth headed towards the Denton area as the conditions seemed the most favorable between Denton and the Red River. But as we made it to the north side of Fort Worth, a small kink in the line to our southwest caught my attention and we quickly turned around. As we entered Lake Worth and tried to find a position with a good view to the southwest, things started getting crazy pretty quick.
Oh, that was not. That's a power flash. What? Yeah, it originated from the ground. You see that?
You mean like a squall?
Yeah, it originated on the ground. No, yeah, see? Look, power flashes.
But
Oh, shit.
To our southwest, I could see a small hook on radar along the leading edge, lined up with a small velocity couplet, right where those power flashes were.
Where's the... Okay, we're gonna go. Oh, damn. Get back up on somewhere we can see. There's a little something here on the leading edge that might actually be a tornado. I don't know. I don't see anything. But get back over here. Get back up this way, because I mean we'll need to run this way anyway. It could be some straight line wind. Down here. Yeah, 100% power flashes.
yeah, that was not lightning.
It has a considerable tag on it, so I'm gonna turn and be able to face the car this way. I'm gonna pull up right here. Face that direction. Face that way with the camera. Just keep an eye out to. We're looking directly towards Can you? Oh, can this thing go away already? So irritating. I can't. There we go. See this little, yeah. See this little hook right here on the edge, and then there's a little bit of a couplet right there, a little circulation, literally directly that way. Start east or west. Oh, more. Wait, whoa, over there. That's due west. Along there. This could very well be straight line winds. Not.
I don't know about y'all, but that looks pretty suspicious.
Oh, yeah, that's fire.
Watch the left side of the screen closely. You can see a new circulation moving towards us.
We gotta go. We gotta go. I don't know what that is there, but let's get out of here. So a couple miles west, but I'm gonna try to get a report out. We need to make sure we get out of the path far enough. We can watch the south. If that is a tornado, we'll be able to pass to the south of us. I'm hoping I can get a video of it too. Go with it.
Sirens were sounding in Lake Worth, but not for a tornado warning. Straight line winds over 70 miles an hour are enough to warrant the use of the outdoor sirens.
Oh, yeah.
At this point, there appeared to be two circulations, a new one just a mile and a half to our south, and what was most likely the original one a little bit south of that. This storm still was not tornado warned, only severe warned. As the leading edge overtook us, I was worried about any potential northward occlusions, so we repositioned further north of the path. At this point, I noticed a tornado warning directly to our south, with our house centered in the middle of that polygon.
Tornado sirens went off in Burlington.
They're under a warning. That's to be expected, right? They're better. Yeah, Burlington is under a tornado warning. 100%. Oh, God, down there, more firefighters. Looks like another little hook right here.
Are we still on 820?
No, we're just off 35 now. Let's go over here. There could be something to our northwest or northeast now. Like it's just another little.
Everything is just like.
Yeah, it's the winds are racing that east. They were going to southeast. They're gonna go. So.
I know it's
probably no. It's Joshua. There might be a circulation moving into Burleson now. I think it's the worst of it's past her. She's good now. But that's moving right into town. It's a little tiny little circulation right there. But it's like a little isolated supercell down there in Grandview now too. It's gonna be hard to track exactly where the circulation is on this next scan because it's gonna be getting too close to the radar. But alright, so we can slowly start making our way south. We'll start heading back south.
As we got back into town, all we were able to find was some light tree damage, but no signs of a tornado. We got home around 6 a.m., just in time to pick up the trash cans out of the neighbor's yard and get a few hours of sleep, totally unaware that later in the day we would witness another strange weather phenomenon. The low pressure system that caused this QLCS overnight was so strong that westerly winds were transporting the dry topsoil from West Texas and New Mexico all the way across the state. I hadn't seen the sky that brown since I was at Shepherd Air Force Base in Wichita Falls. All in all, March 4th was a very interesting day and a nice start to the 2025 season. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I look forward to doing more this year. Maybe we'll get some tornadoes that we can actually see for a change. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, y'all.